one good news is we got the permits for Nathula Pass as well. We are going to Nathula Pass. So stay tuned. Welcome to Nathula. So guys, here you can see, right? This is the India flag and that is China flag. From here you can see India and China border. Here near to this place, India and China ka trading used to happen here because of this COVID-19. The trading is stopped. So yeah guys, so right now the history is, so first of all, while you're going upper, photography and videography is not at all allowed. That is for our Indian safety. Matlab, as an Indian citizen we have to respect Indian army. So what they have told, so इसीलिए I didn't even click a single picture or a video. While I'm taking the video, only army people told that sir don't take the video and all. So इसीलिए I'm not taking any videos ऊपर. So ऊपर कुछ नहीं मतलब here you can see, right? मुझे दिखा this is China flag and this is Indian flag. ठीक है? So those are the two flags. And if you go थोड़ा सा आगे, so you can see a border. Okay, so border के इसी side में India है और that side of the border is China. ठीक है? So that is what, if army people are very cooperative. If you ask some questions to army people also, they'll easily tell you. They'll tell you the history also. Okay, in this year, this is happened करके. So it's a really beautiful place. You can just say that almost you have reached the China border. So opposite side is Bhutan kadra. Mama ate Bhutan annadu kada. So opposite side is Bhutan. So but they take it as China border. So ultimately you will be reaching the China border if you come to Nathula Pass. And guys, one more thing I forgot to tell you is, while you're trekking upper, so you can see those green lines, right? So you need to go all the way upper. So while you're going on top of that place, so go really slow because of this chill weather and high altitude. It's not that high altitude, but some people they face problem to breathe. So इसीलिए आराम से you go very slowly. But here, if something goes wrong, army people are there to take care of you. So they are having oxygen cylinders. So they'll take care of you. So no issues. So guys, done with the Nathula Pass and we are going to Baba Mandir. Baba Mandir hai na bhaiya? We are going to Baba Mandir. In the middle, after finishing Nathula Pass, we stopped somewhere in the middle. Like, seriously, water is flowing for upper, but it's all frozen. Let me just show you. देखो, I can see it, right? Oh my god! Whoa! right now we are in Baba Mandir ka temple. Also, I'll share you one picture of that one. So that is the history of Baba Mandir. One second here. Yeah, here it is there. I'll show you the picture. You just pause the video and check it out. While we are going to Changu Lake, full of beauties, yaar. You can't even expect that. You want to see it? Here, 3, 2, 1. Go, guys.
Selfie, huh?
Full of clouds. Those are clouds. I'll show you in my rear camera.
Thank you.
You have seen those clouds? ये पूरा clouds है. Oh my god. Oh, close on. Guys, one more interesting update is after we have finished Nathula Pass, we went to Baba Mandir. Okay, at that time we just saw the time in our phones. So the time is like 5 o'clock. Means it is showing 5 o'clock. We have just taken off our phones from the flight mode, and all of a sudden, the time went to 3 o'clock. I don't know how come it happened. ఏందా ఇది this is the top view of Changu Lake. So somewhere, if this lake is filled with water, it looks like an India map. So इधर श्रीलंका नहीं है, इधर नॉर्थ ईस्ट है. इधर गोवा भी नहीं है. And here Sri Lanka is not there. So this is the south part and that is the north part. It looks like that somehow. So that is what they told. I just wanted to share this in the vlog. So we have reached Changu Lake. Not acceptable, right? No issues. You will get this view in 3, 2, 1, go. Changu Lake. We have taken the tickets for ropeway. So right now, you've seen this ropeway. So we'll be going in the ropeway. Just enjoy the beauty. For information is, if you want to take the ropeway at Changu Lake, so it will be closed at 3 o'clock. But now, right now the time is 3:30. Somehow we have managed to get the tickets. We have got the tickets. Last trip is at 3 o'clock. So make sure that if you want to go for the ropeway, just be before 3 o'clock. Okay? So right now we are in you can see the beauty of
Changu Lake.
yeah, Changu Lake. And we are at the Asia's tallest ropeway in Sikkim. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, you want to see it, right? So sick. Guys, one more adventure. We are trying to do a small trek and go at the top for one picture. I'm not sure how the picture comes out, but this is just a try. But I'll show you the picture also, don't worry. Oh my god, I stepped on ice. आइस में स्टेप मत करो. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It's damn hard. One wrong step, gone case. कैसे Okay, I have reached. Oh my god, this is. ये देखो पूरा cliff. Oh my god, such an adventure यार. Do not do this guys. बहुत रिस्की है, बहुत मतलब बहुत रिस्की है. Here there is less snow, इसीलिए I came here. Just see the booty यार, but I'm damn scared. Okay, so here we go. I'll show you the picture in 3, 2, 1. I hope you liked that photo. My friends have also joined with me. Right now it's a challenge to trek down. So no stepping on snow. If you step on snow, गया पूरा एकदम नीचे. You literally go down. This place is really nice guys. Changu Lake. In Changu Lake, you try to get the ropeway. After getting down from this ropeway, you get such a beautiful location guys. So just come to Changu Lake and just see it with your eyes. Just see it with your eyes. That's it. That is what I can say. There you go. That side you can get full of snow, and this side you can get full of pahad. You wanna see? One second. Here pura snow hai. I need to get down very carefully. It was one wrong step. Gone case. You can see right. Because you don't get grip while you're trekking down, so that is the reason you must be very careful while you're doing this. Yeah, क्या बोलते हैं छोटू से ट्रैक, ठीक है. सो बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. एंड राइट नाउ विल गो डाउन थ्रू द सेम रोपवे. I hope you have liked this today's adventure, right? कैसे लगा? It takes a lot of efforts to do all this stuff, you know, to come to this place, just freeze in this cold, and you know, I don't know, make some couple of videos like this. So एक like तो बनता है, subscribe भी बनता है. So just subscribe so that you know, you people even don't know that how much it helps me. So just be a part of my journey. So yes guys, I hope you have enjoyed that adventure and you know that scenic beauties. And one more update is, you know, I'll be giving you the updates like, you know, instantly, okay? Because all these updates are instant, you know, I'll be seeing it in live and I'll be updating you people. So as I told you that it will be closed at 3 o'clock, right? So that is what it is written over there. But right now also people are coming over, and right now the time is, so right now the time is 4:30, but still people are coming up, and you can visit. I don't know whether, I don't know when you people visit it will be available or not, but that you know, you people can just try you people can just try your luck, maybe because of this Christmas time or something. So that is one update guys. So yeah, that's it. Guys, gone down from ropeway. Pura snow. One more thing is, if you take this way, you can just go for a small walk, and from down also you can go for a small walk. Here, no snow at all. On this pahad, full of snow. You'll be going to much higher than you're seeing at this place, okay?